Hey, what's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the electric duster by DataVac. Anyway, the reason why I bought this is because I have electronic devices that are constantly getting dirty. And I mean, I've probably gone through at least 10 cans of compressed air now. It's really eating through my wallet, so why not buy one that has unlimited use? So yeah, with the packaging, it's pretty high quality, 5-year warranty. This is what the front looks like. It's also made in USA. And here's the back. There's a side. And there's the other side. The top and the bottom. So yeah, without further ado, let's unbox it. Now here's the first time I see. It's kind of like I guess a crevice tool. That probably corresponds to this piece right there. Anyway, here's some more fine equipment. There's Zhiyun. I'll get back to that one in a bit. I just want to show you the other piece. Here's another, I guess, an extension rod for getting even finer blow. Oh cool, if you mail them this product, yeah, I guess you get it registered. Here's the address if you guys are curious where it gets mailed to. Yeah, here's the instruction manual. So it came with a double-sided pamphlet. It talks about its features. I'll just show this up to the screen rather than rambling about it. Instructions are pretty straightforward, just steps 1 to 4. And yeah, here's the operating manual. So back to the unit itself, just take it out of its bag here. So first impression holding unit is that it's a lot heavier than expected. It also has a nice sturdy build. In total, the unit draws 480 watts, which is roughly the same as a small household vacuum cleaner. As you can see at the bottom, the intake has a removable foam filter. I like that it is easy to remove so the device can clean dust off whenever necessary. Alright guys, now I'm going to put the DataVac to the ultimate test. Right here is a mining rig. It has GPUs including the Radeon 7 as well as the GTX 1660 Ti. In other words, these do accumulate a lot of dust and they've been running for about 2 years straight. So yeah, I'm going to, hopefully this machine can get a lot of dust off these and get them back to tip-top condition. Alright guys, so this wraps up the video. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. I am overall pretty happy with this purchase. I can see endless possibilities for cleaning all sorts of items. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to help support this channel. Thanks, and I hope you all have a great day. Goodbye now.